I'm going to show you right now how you would use your search box or your Run menu in Windows 7 and show you some of the differences between the two. Now, the Run menu was part of Windows XP and it wasn't part of Vista. So XP users who migrated to Vista were kind of mad that the Run menu wasn't there. But Windows 7 users now have both. So I'm going to show you some of the one advantage to using one over the other, but it's your choice whether you do this or not. So first of all, I'm a keyboard user, so I'm going to just use my keyboard to do this, and I will show you what keyboard functions you press. Windows 7 is completely accessible, and everything's either at your fingertips with regards to a hotkey, like the Windows key, or shortcuts, keyboard shortcuts. So right now we're going to go into the Run menu, which press the Windows key and the letter R to go into the Run feature. Now, it uses autocomplete, so I did a search on a website earlier, so we'll go to that same website and I'll show you how you can use the autocomplete feature once you've already entered a website, but that's for another moment. Right now we're just going to go to that website, www. Now, autocomplete has filled in the vcc.ca website that I created. So I could either press enter right now because I've already typed it, or for those people who have never typed it before, just do www.vcc.ca and press enter. Now the Run menu takes you into that internet site. We just have to wait for it to come up. The software I'm using is a bit slow. It uses resources. Okay, I'm going to Alt F4 to close this window and go back into the Windows Run menu by pressing the logo key letter R. Now you can search for a program name, a folder, a document, or as we just demonstrated, an internet resource. So now I'm going to go to the control panel. I'm going to type CONTROL. You can type partial words, you can type the full word control panel and press enter. The more specific you are, the better your find will be, and it's likely that you could find something that doesn't relate to the word control, but I know for a fact that the word control does find the control panel, and there it is. Now you'd want to press P 3 times to get to the personalization menu, which is where I want to go to change my display settings. So I'm going to press P. That takes me to parental controls, performance information and tools, or personalization. You can also use your arrow keys, and there's many other ways you can access this. And I'm going to show you one right now. Close this by using Alt F4. We're going to now go to the Run menu again, which is the logo key R. Now I'm going to type the word personalization. And this is actually not going to work because the Run menu only finds things that are a program, a folder, a document, or an internet resource. Personalization actually appears inside a folder, and it's not a program and it's not a document. So it's not going to find it, but just for purposes of demonstration, I'm just going to try this and typed in personalization and I'm pressing enter. You get an error message that says Windows cannot find personalization. Make sure you type the name correctly and then try again. Now if I press enter, it's going to take me directly back to the same menu, Run menu, which is great because then you can try it again. And you can, in this case, go to the control panel and arrow down, arrow across, down to personalization, or press P to find it. So that's where you would open your personalization menu to be able to change your theme, your background, or your screensaver, only to mention a few. Alt F4 to close this now. The power of the search button, the search feature, is going to be demonstrated now. All you have to do is press the Windows logo key and start typing. So I could go to my site, vcc.ca, www.vcc.ca. Now this is going to find all HTTP sites. Just opening it right now. It's going to take a minute, a few seconds anyway. There we go. It will only open HTTP sites. To get an HTTPS site, a secure site, such as https://moodle.vcc.ca, you have to type in that full address. So press the logo key, https://moodle.vcc.ca, and press enter, and it will find the entire address. And this is where the run menu will actually be better for you than the search menu, because run will allow you to keep your autocomplete and save all your addresses. So it's going to be much faster for you, whereas the search box doesn't do that. There is one more thing the search box does over the run menu, and I'm going to demonstrate that right now. Press the logo key to go to the search box, and here's the power of search. Start typing CONTROL for control panel, and Windows 7 will bring up every single item that contains the word control panel, either in its name or as part of its content. It's not even panel, it's control. So the word control appears in all of these documents that are listed. JAWS users will notice that you can type, JAWS will tell you control panel, press C to go to the control panel. But you can actually use your arrow keys, because sometimes when you limit your search to a single word like the word control, you may not find the feature that you're looking for. It will give you a ballpark area, and then you just down arrow to go to the correct feature. Say I wanted to actually go to control the computer without the mouse or keyboard, which is in the ease of access center. I could just type the word control, because I know that appears in that feature, and press escape, and you're taken back to your search box again. And that's the power of using the search feature. Here's the other thing. Person. Let's just go person. I don't really know whether it's personalized or personalization or what the feature is, but if I go person, I know it's to do with something I want to personally do. Hey, wait a minute. Personalization came up. It's in the control panel. It's the first item on, and personalization is the same as personalize your computer. JAWS users would be told personalization, press P. Or you could just down arrow and go to your selection. And there you have it. I'm going to go into personalization, and there's the same screen that we got when we pressed personalization inside the control panel when we were in the run menu. So I would use the run menu for specific sites, such as the https://moodle.vcc.ca, and I would use search for specific functions inside or features inside Windows 7. But it's up to you. Do it whichever way you wish. And that's the session for today. So take care and have a great day. Bye.